Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to enable full screen on PPSSPP app on Android. If you have a wider aspect ratio, any aspect ratio that is more than 16:9, chances are you won't have full screen when you are playing games with PPSSPP app. So if you want to enable full screen, this is what you have to do. Go to settings. On graphics, you have to look for display layout editor. Click on it. By default, it is set to auto scaling. Click on auto scaling and select stretching. Go back and resume your game. As you can see right here, we now have full screen on this game. So that's how you enable full screen on PPSSPP emulator on Android. That's all for this video. See you guys in the next one.